Hi, this is Raman and welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today we'll take a look at Heiken Ashi trade setup. Heiken Ashi candlesticks are really effective when looking for trending markets. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to use Heiken Ashi candlesticks effectively and how can we take profitable trades using these candlesticks. Here we'll take a look at how to trade using Heiken Ashi candlesticks. Heiken Ashi candlesticks are great for helping us identify the trend and actually staying in the trend. So this way we don't have to second guess ourselves and we can stay in the trend. One thing you'll notice about Heiken Ashi candlesticks is that when the move is trending, you'll see there are no pins on the bottom. The pins will be on the top if the price is going up, and if the price is coming down, you'll notice that the pins will be in the bottom. So this is just a good indication to see if there's a trend change coming. Once you start noticing that there are pins on both sides, you just have to be careful because then we may be coming up to a change in trend. So in this case, what we're looking for is again, same support and resistance rules apply as regular candlesticks. So here we see that price comes into our support level and then we have this candlestick here. So this is not a very solid candlestick. I like to get a solid candle close here in Heiken Ashi before entering a trade. So in this case, we have pin on the bottom here as well. Whereas if we take a look at this bullish candle here, there's no pin in the bottom. This shows that the momentum is to the upside now and price is likely to go higher. So we'll take a look at this candle. Once this closes, we'll enter our trade long here because we're looking for price to move higher now. So we have two candlesticks that are in the same direction now. So that's one thing that I look for. We need a strong candlestick as well as two candlesticks of the same color to actually get into a trend. So we enter the trade long here and we stay with the trend as long as price is moving higher. Here we see all the candlesticks are blue here. So this means that price is moving higher. And once we get into this area, first of all, we notice that the candlesticks start to show pins in the bottom. That already shows us that price is not really trending anymore and we could see price turn around. And then here we see two candlesticks in the opposite direction. So that's a good time for us to exit the trade. Overall as well, price is just going sideways, not really doing anything. So the trend doesn't exist anymore. It's a good time for us to exit. So just to recap here, in Heiken Ashi candlesticks, we are looking for the same support and resistance levels. And then we want to see two good strong candlesticks to show us that price is actually trending in a direction. So here we get two candlesticks here. This one has a nice solid close. So this is a good candlestick to take entry from. We would enter the trade long here and then we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. And when price starts to go sideways, we also see two red candlesticks here, which means that the trend is no longer in place. So this is a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 93 pips in our trade. So our profit is 93 pips or $930 if trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today, and I'll be back with another great episode next time.